guys, welcome back to another segment of Cooking It Up with your girl KC. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be making lasagna, and I have my Ronzoni lasagna package right here. This is the brand that I use, and I did put on my water to boil so that we can throw our lasagna in there. Ground beef that I'm using, and I did season it from overnight already. I put in Lorry's garlic powder and black pepper, and I just seasoned it, and it was in the fridge. So this is ready to be cooked. I'm gonna put it back into the fridge until ready for it. Okay, so right now we just have our lasagna noodles in a large pot of salted water, and the flame is on high heat. We're just gonna wait until it comes to a boil and the noodles are cooked. But in a large skillet, you can add your olive oil or vegetable oil in medium heat, and then you're going to add your ground beef and cook until it is lightly brown on all sides. And right here, we're just browning the ground beef. So what you can do to spice up the ground beef a little, you can add your little mixture to it. So you can remove the ground beef and you can put bell peppers, onion, garlic, or anything that you would like to add in your meals, and then add it back to the skillet and mix them all together. Right now I'm just keeping it simple, just doing the ground beef alone, and as well as you can see, I added more ragu tomato sauce to build the sauce, and you can also add tomatoes if you would like. So all I did was just add tomato sauce and just sauteing it in the ground beef. So you can go for any casserole or lasagna dish that you have, and you can just ladle a cup of sauce and spread it over the bottom of the dish, which you can see that I'm doing now. So I put the beef first. Some people put the noodles, but I find that if you're gonna put the noodles first, you have to grease it with oil or probably butter. But I like putting the meat first. When you put the noodle, it tends to stick. So we just need that base that we're using now, which would be our minced ground beef. So that's what I'm doing. Okay guys, so this meal is a very easy one. It's really not hard. The arrangement of it is not hard as well. I'm going to tell you the arrangement that I do it in, and I arrange it where it is ground beef, then cheese, then the noodles, ground beef, cheese, and then the noodles. And that's what I do. First, I arrange one layer of lasagna noodles lengthwise, and you can make it overlap. You might want to cut your noodles. Some of them are too long for your pan. It depends on how big the casserole or lasagna dish is. And then I just continue repeating the step. So what I did was cover the lasagna pan with an aluminum foil, and I'm just gonna let this bake for 45 minutes, and then for the last 10 minutes I'm going to uncover it. So I'm going to remove the aluminum foil to make it get that crusty top or edges.